Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FSLY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day for this one as the downtrend continues, but after today's price movement has now played out. A couple of what I want to do here headed into the weekend is just apply the KISS method, keep it simple, stupid. Meaning, let's just focus on two main levels that I think a lot of people will be watching, and that's important because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. So that's why I want to just focus on these couple areas. The first level is just the level of support. And again, all sorts of people are going to be watching this area, myself included, at 74.50. And while guarantees don't exist, my point here is this, is that it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have, that if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, then break to the downside, that break in and of itself could very well create that much more downside selling pressure. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but a more than valid thought process to go through. And again, a lot of people have taken notice of 74.50, so you're going to have just that many more eyeballs watching it moving forward. Now, on the flip side of things, the level that a lot of breakout players are going to be watching is this resistance trend line right there. Again, same exact logic. Nothing's guaranteed, but it is more than valid that if the price were to work its way up here and get the break up through that area, that break in and of itself could very well create that much more upside buying pressure. So you're going to have a lot of people watching that area too moving forward. But it's really just as simple as that. Those two main levels after today's very clean-cut price action have really made themselves quite apparent. And like I said, when you have all sorts of people watching those same levels and wondering the same things, is it going to break out? Is it going to break down? Then self-fulfilling prophecy or not, it can create some very tradable opportunities. So let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.